Welcome to Chemical Tuktukaya, a small chemical tuktukaya, but useful, very useful. Today, we will talk about a team in chemistry called metals. Opposing them is the non-metals team, which will be in a different tuktukaya. Metals are the noble ones in chemistry, like a special naming by the father and mother of the family. That's my own analogy. The father and mother. Why? Because the father and mother give without limits. They always love to give without expecting anything in return. But what distinguishes metals? Metals are characterized by strength, shine, and durability. Hardness, no doubt about it. Rigidity, everything you find, and all these properties humans have been able to use and harness thanks to God in their daily lives. So what is the most distinctive feature of metals? Two equally important capabilities. Malleability for making items like cooking pots in the kitchen, car bodies, mobile phone bodies, or the frame of your mobile. Apple boasts about using aluminum and titanium in making their mobile phones, and these are metals. The ability to be hammered and drawn. Let me tell you something else. Your drink container when you're going to work in the morning or going to school, what is it made of? From aluminum metal, and other things can be used with it, but aluminum is the main one. Aluminum is a metal. Okay, what else? The second property is ductility and making wires. By drawing metals, I can make wires like copper wires, aluminum wires, silver wires, and there are wires made of silver and gold, and they have a special uniqueness. After pulling them and making wires for nothing like that? Of course not. It's important and very useful for conducting electricity. Electrons move from one end to the other, generating an electric current, as you know. At the same time, the properties are malleability and making thermal conduction vessels. The case is successful. Drawing and making electrical wires is the pinnacle of success in the properties of metals. So, what about the chemical behavior of metals? I just told you, what are the father and mother? Giving becomes limitless. He loves to give without expecting anything in return. Metals like to give 1, 2, or 3 electrons. Giving an electron turns them into a positive 1 cation or a positive 1 ion. Like who? Like sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay, the second group likes to give 2 electrons. Why? The last energy level has 2 electrons. Like who? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. As for the third group, which is aluminum, from which your mobile frame is made, it loses 3 electrons and becomes a positive 3 cation. Didn't I tell you, my friend, it likes to form a strong bond. The ionic bond doesn't have a covalent bond and doesn't like to share with anyone. It just likes to give, like a father and mother. Today we talked about metals, the noble ones, or the father and mother of chemistry. The next tuk-tuk ride is non-metals. What shall we call it? Whoever has a name for non-metals, write it in the comments for me. And don't forget to share the video with as many of your friends and as many students who need to know the difference between metals and non-metals. I'm waiting for you in a new chemical tuk-tuk ride very soon.